Great news! Google Sheets integration is now available on FormyChat. You can now automatically send your collected leads directly to your Google Sheets account. To get started, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Click on FormyChat in the sidebar and select Integration. Find the Google Sheets module and toggle the switch to enable it. You'll see the status is currently not connected. Click the gear icon to configure your settings. Click Continue with Google. Select the Google account you wish to link and be sure to allow the necessary permissions to grant access. Once connected, you have two options. Choose an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. For this example, let's create a new sheet. We'll name it FormyChat Leads and click Create New. Now configure your sync frequency. You can stick with the recommended schedule or select Real Time for instant updates. Let's choose Real Time and click Save and Sync. The system will confirm that your leads have been synced. You can click the Open link to view your spreadsheet immediately. As you can see, all your lead data, including names, emails, and phone numbers, is now perfectly organized in your Google Sheet. Now, let's look at how the leads appear in real time. We will navigate to the front end of the website and fill out the FormyChat widget with some sample data. We will enter a name, email address, phone number, and a test message. Once the details are filled in, click the button to submit the form. Next, let's open the Google Sheet we just created. As you can see, the new lead has populated instantly. All the details, including the widget ID, date, name, and message, are automatically captured in the spreadsheet. Back in the integration settings, you can see this happened immediately because we selected the real-time sync frequency. If you had chosen scheduled, the system would wait and update the sheet based on your selected time interval. The integration is now successfully set up and working. It is that simple. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section or reach out to our support.